In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up incoming call of Twilio phone number. First, sign in to your Twilio account by going to twilio.com and opening the console. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand navigation. We'll use that menu to reach the tools we need. In the left sidebar, look for Explore Products. Open it, then click the Add button so you can pin what you'll use today. From the list, choose Studio. Studio is Twilio's visual builder that lets you design call flows without writing code, which makes it ideal for quickly handling incoming calls. With Studio open, select Create New Flow. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. For example, something that reflects the number or purpose of the line. When you're ready, click Next. Choose Start from Scratch to begin with a clean canvas. Click Next again to open the Flow editor. You'll see a trigger at the top of the canvas. Click Incoming Call to confirm that this flow will activate whenever your Twilio number receives a voice call. That trigger is the starting point for everything that follows. Now create the Studio flow that handles the call. On the right, you'll find widgets you can drag onto the canvas. A common pattern is to add a Say Play widget to greet the caller, then connect it to a Gather Input widget if you want callers to press keys for options. You can also use split based on to branch logic, or connect call to forward callers to an agent or a phone system. As you place widgets, connect them to the incoming call trigger and to each other so the call moves through your intended path. Name your widgets clearly and use short, friendly prompts so the experience feels polished. Be sure to save regularly as you build. Next, go to the Webhook URL setting for your number. This is the address where Twilio sends an HTTP request when a call comes in. If you're handling calls via your own server instead of Studio's visual flow, enter a publicly accessible HTTPS endpoint that returns valid TwiML or logic you control. For example, https:/yourdomain.com/incoming call. Make sure the URL is live and responds quickly. Twilio expects a timely response to route the call properly. That's it. You've set up the path for incoming calls, either with a Studio flow on the canvas or by pointing Twilio to a Webhook URL that you manage. Save your changes, and you're ready for callers.